We know here, come on. Babu betile, it's a main league, come on. But it's over
But we still love you, our brother. We go in a league, you get too high. When I'm in the plane going to Morocco, they'll call me, come and collect your stuff.
My pain, my friend with pain is still my friend.
Uqale nini nje ukuzizwa ukuthi hayi mbona manje ngathi angisekho right.
Uqala kwami uzizwa. Ngizizwe ngokubona ukuthi manje umuntu uthanda ipapa.
Oh, umuntu othanda ipapa.
Uthanda ipapa. Amathumbu. Isiyindi senkukhu. Shiki. Asangende izinto.
Orlando Pirates, what is this? What is this? Batata bonaka tatawa. Yini leni sibukisa yona. Sanhlwa kushaya iDurban City. Ngihlwa ngomfana mncane mfana. Hayi. Yabona mantwana engqondo le. Ilike hamba phela so endleni machasa endlala nga.
Abamkhuzi luyamfana, he's very disrespectful and rude. Ufika le area ekhaya siyamphakela madombolo uthi usuthi akawafuna madombolo unanga bayi.
Say it with me now. Let's say it together. Games in hand do not equal points on the board. Durban City, well done. We were sitting Minyaring. So 4-2-3-1 from Durban City. The system they play tactically hard to break down. You are not breathing. You don't have space outside the box. Once you take a touch, Durban City defenders right here, kicking at your toes. Durban City, well done. You went to the slaughterhouse and you survived the onslaught. Beats or said not on my watch. Durban City defender, Kaiser Chiefs, fetch that guy. We need fetch him. Leader in defense, structured, rigid. Pirates could not pass between the lines. What a system Beats was set up today with Durban City. Pirates tried. They had their chances. Was not going to happen. Durban City, and I said it, Durban City. Hold them to a draw. Make the race exciting. But this week, they're here. Another Pirates is here this week. Tata Zelling. Guess what happened in Cape Town? Uncle Gav added spice. I'm not laughing at Pirates, please, guys. I'm not laughing at you. I'm just saying, for us as neutrals, this is exciting. This is the exciting week I wanted. That we're going to final week drama. There must be drama. That game must be something else. I can't believe my eyes. Because Orlando Pirates, all the fans were going into this game basically saying they've already won this game. Little did they know, Durban City had something up this sleeve. And Durban City were playing mind tricks with us during the week because they were on a bus parading the Nedbank Cup trophy, pretending like they're not training. Meanwhile, they know that the system is set in here. The bus they did later in the evening, back to drawing board, watching the tapes of Orlando Pirates after that to make sure that they cannot break the wall they're going to put up. I don't even know if Durban City had an attack. I'm sure Sipo Chain's jersey is clean. We're going to this final week full of drama. Durban City, thank you. Thank you for setting up probably the best week in the Betway Premiership for a while now.
Eba defender bola band. How's that defender boy Durban City? Hayibo. Yabona nje mfethu oncanana ayiboncanana wazoba istanje. Hayibo. Kodwa bayadefende kahle ke nokhipha wabo bephila. Into eshayile nje mfethina ukuthi mase angakora first 60 minutes sivele silahle yonke icomposure bese sileke icomposure mfethu umfukeng apolice sibilebile kakhulukazi umfukeng bena police bese be selfish mfethu la ngibone khona ukuthi ayingekho off ila khona mfethu kade lokho kunesiphithiphithi ibhola layizela mfethu kusiyema eyedwa ovele washona get ibhola la le yena washaya umoya kuyasho ukuthi ayibo kicking fresh air ayikho shamanzi kodwa sesifa Orbit College ayi butwami sezokhalela wena ke manje ke yabo siyatestwa la position 1 delayed is not position 1 denied. Orbit College sifuna ngokwethu ukuthi nje amajitha kule game lezayo bangaphethe bangathathi izinto mawala mfethu bedlala igame yabo bese siyayiwina ngendlela right. Danko welcome back Moremo ubuyile ya mfethu kodwa John Wick ayusilepe bafethu udlale kahle bafethu ngoba I'm sure yena umuntu ebesifuna ukumbona ukuthi uzokwenza njani awudlali kahle mfethu lapha kwi position yakhe akenzanga lutho mfethu olubi kube ile aflop washishwa icover nakhona kodwa ke ayish sesivele salibaziseka la ingoba nathi bese si excited kakhulu yazi next weekend siyayiqhubula lena kanjani
But hey, Wadu. Hey man, Wadu. Please respect Orlando Pirates. Don't respect Orlando Pirates only fans. Respect Orlando Pirates. This is not just a club. Wadu, you are killing us. Today we were supposed to celebrate. I saw old men, old 8 years. Umuntona 8 in Mbona Stadium. Afaki Cheslake the Pirates, la 1960. Wadu, why do you keep on doing this? You are killing Orlando Pirates talent. You are killing these youngsters. How can you come and put Slepe on the starting 11? He has not played the whole season. You are killing Slepe. You have done this with Dancing. You have done this with Mbutuma. Why do you keep on doing the same thing? Why do you respect Amaruad? Why do you keep on disrespecting us like this? We don't say we come with money, no. But we came to the stadium to celebrate in Orlando the league title. Wadu. Orlando Pirates management, you need to deal with this guy. Serious. You did this with Kroll, and he was playing good football, Urud Kroll, and he was let go at the end of the season. We need to let go of this guy.
Putting it sizela siphethe yonke injabulo. Sasa sayithatha imali engane yethu yokugcina sithenga ama-cricket sithi sizocelebrate. Kwalile. Kodwa mina ngithi ngumabasi yophelela embombela. Ima ngabe iPirates ifuna ukuthi impilo zethu singabalandeli sophelela embombela sofela khona. Ngoba ima ngabe leli gaba ayithatha ibhuti kophuma idumbu somelwe inhliziyo thina abanye. Ngiyakutshela bhuti. Thina kade sajabulela le league bhuti silindile makudraw usanda.
Ngiyanicela bafowethu.
Let's bow.
Ngiyanicela bafowethu. Ngicela ileague bafowethu. Ngiyoba yini mara ngaphandle kweleague.
Sowile.
Ngiyoba yini bafowethu ngaphandle kweleague. Orlando Pirates ngiyanicela. Mathi. Coach Wadu. Muremi. Mfukeng. Bonke Tito. Ngiyanicela bafowethu. Ngabe ngiphethe isnafe ngenithelela bafowethu. Ngabe ngiphethe nokutshwalanyana bengithelela. Bafowethu. Ngiyanicela bafowethu.
Abayenza into right.
Bafowethu ngiyanicela bafowethu.
14 years.
14 years bafowethu. Ngiyoba yini mara?
No.
Ngiyoba yini bafowethu?
Amakhosi animele phela Mike.
Ngiyoba yini bafowethu?
Tshela. Ayingane.
So thina mfowethu
Amile sewakhuluma.
Thina Siko. We are going to win the
Kunini sihlupeka sport indlala lesinye isikhathi kude lesingakubheka makushona langa angibita angibita impilo lemnanzi kunini ngihluleka ngayekela kuzama ngilangatelela kubona thamba kahle tonke timfo tami angibita angibita impilo lemnanzi angibita impilo lemnanzi sure angibita impilo lemnanzi sure angibita impilo lemnanzi angibita impilo lemnanzi angibita
Serikala kubaluleka lami ligama livela kumaphepha asempumalanga bayangibida bayang-assista njengelifomu bayangifila kunini ngihlupheka ngihluleka ngikutshela ngikuncenga ukuthi ungizame wangijikela wangihleka wangikhesa wangitshela ukuthi ngeke ngiphumelele nyalobuka phela sekanya phela they love what I produce. Education is very important. I had to quit Facebook and focus on my books. Phela mina I came up with nothing. I'm tryna be a something. All my life I had to do window shopping and it's really exhausting. I learned from that lesson. I'm finna change the condition. Fagi focusing mission. Ngidlala ibhola escaping. Ngimi captain Nancy fahla kamnanzi. Nancy ufuna kube mnanzi. Kani nimzondelani kanzi. Captain Nancy ufuna lempilo lemnanzi. Athi ngutshele kabanzi. Futhi akasayifuni yona ifuna yena yambita yamemeta.